What's up, guys? So we are making a YouTube video, and we're gonna get Nana's car a car wash. This is the inside of Nana's car, and we are about to get wet. Well, not us. The car is about to get wet. Hopefully, nothing drips. It's okay. There's a guy to protect us. So this is how it starts up. Ew! Somebody pooped. Now it's doing the background. Oh yeah, nothing's dripping. That's good. And look, that guy's cleaning the back. Oh my God! I did not even know this started. I didn't even get this. Why in the world was he banging Nana's car? That's gonna get madder than hell. What happened? What happened? Oh my God! Jeez! Oh my God! It's raining! Oh! It's kind of loud. Oh my God! Oh! Oh! Dang! Oh my God! So we got Dada's car wash. Well, we got Dada's car wash. Well, we got Dada's truck a car wash yesterday, and I didn't get to record because my phone was dead. It was out of battery. Sorry, guys. But this time we're recording. What happened, bro? Oh my God! It's about to jump. Oh gee! Oh my God! Oh jeez. Oh. Oh. Dang, Ew. Poop. Oh. Oh jeez. What the heck? It's drying all of the gooey stuff off. All of that goo. Oh jeez. Oh! Nice. Okay. Wait until the dry thing comes. It's gonna be crazy. Again? Whoa. That's the same one as last time. These two good car washes. I'm not even gonna lie, to be honest. Oh! Dang, cuz. Okay, it's time for the dry. Oh snap. Oh snap. Look at all the water traveling. Okay, so it's the front first. All of that water's moving. Not getting the back, just getting the front. Oh geez. You know that we can open this thing. fun. And now this guy's gonna drive the car up. Alright guys, well, he's just driving the car up. So we'll see you at home. We'll see you at home. Chewing gum.
Un compañero de trabajo también se murió esta semana. No, hombre. Otro que te ponía ya los kilos de washar el delgadito. Sí. Se murió también. No, hombre, ¿de qué? No se sabe todavía. Venga, pobre vato. Órale. Thank you, sir. No pisteaba, no nada. Huh.
Sound effects. Alright, we're home. And look at the car, how shiny it is. Now let's check Dada's, because we got a car wash on him yesterday. So let's check it.